This is a must-read book for those of you who are looking for the compound effect. Are you looking for success at work? More success than you've had before? And more success that you never thought possible? Yes, that's what this book is all about. Achieving all of it through simple yet effective techniques. When I read this book review, I could tell right off the bat that this was a book that wasn't just written to help people achieve more success, but also one that would help them understand how their actions can directly lead to success. And most importantly, to them achieving success in life. By understanding how things can be changed around them, for the better. By knowing why they're failing and why they need to do what it takes to get that goal completed. By reading this book, I knew that I was ready to change my life. The book helped me to understand that I needed to change my approach to life by learning how to see what is going on around me and start acting on it. This way I wouldn't end up in a bad situation, because I'd already know what is wrong with it and what needs to be done to fix it. You see, I've been there before, and it's not what I think it is. So, I was willing to give it a shot and see what happens.